Hey there, this is From A to Disney. I'm Justin. If you're looking for a last minute drink for your New Year's Eve party, look to New Orleans Square for Mint Juleps, and that's what we're gonna make today. To make this, you're gonna need some sugar, water, lime, either a lime itself or lime juice, fresh mint, lemonade, and then you can either use a simple syrup or a mint syrup. We don't like it too minty in our house, so we went with the simple syrup. To get started, you're going to make a simple syrup. To do so, you're going to take 2 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. And what you want to do is you want to get the sugar to completely dissolve. You can kind of see it's cloudy in there. Once it's all ready, it will dissolve and become clear. Now that the sugar and water have come to a boil and the sugar is completely dissolved, turn the heat off, and this is where we're going to add the mints. And you can kind of think of this as like a tea where you're kind of steeping the mint into it. And this will give us the mint flavor. Leave it in for about 10 minutes to a half an hour. Just let it really soak in. And just make sure to stir occasionally. After you've let the mint sit in that simple syrup for a little bit, you'll want to take the leaves out, the mint leaves out, and then you'll have a consistency and a look of this. It kind of has like a syrupy look to it. So now we're ready to mix our drink. For this, it's going to make a 1 really big drink or 2 small drinks. So whatever the ingredients are, just double it or triple it to what you need. So you're going to take half a cup of the mint simple syrup. We don't have a cocktail mixer, so I just use one of our blender bottles. So you'll take that half a cup, pour it in. You'll do a cup of lemonade. Lemonade can be whatever you want. You'll take a half a tablespoon of the lime juice. And then you'll do 2 tablespoons of the simple syrup. Either the mint or I just went with the basic simple syrup. And then mix it all together. Once it's mixed a little bit, you'll get your cups ready. I already have some ice in here because you want to serve this chilled. You pour your drinks on there. Add your straws. And a little bit of mint for decoration. And here's our finished drink. It's like we're at the Mint Julep bar at New Orleans Square. I hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you try out this recipe. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos, and remember, whether at home or at the park, make every day a Disney day.